Hey all you viewers of the Name Leader, how you doing today? I know by that thumbnail and everything else you took a look at, today we're going to take a look at another in the Downwind series by Gerber. This one is their Drop Point, and Black Sage as they call it, but still. And yeah, for those of you wondering, that's just the warranty info inside the card. Now what I thought was really cool is I had a long time, viewer of the channel, long time subscriber, long time friend, reach out and go, hey, would you take a look at these series by Gerber? I went, well, sure. Taking a look at the pictures right away, I went, yeah, those are right in my wheelhouse. Those are aesthetically very pleasing to me. But it seemed to take Gerber forever to get these things out. First reason I wanted it is because I was asked to review it. Second reason is the sheaths in these series. These things are just freaking amazing. But still, we're going to get to all that fun stuff here in just a moment. Now, I like with the Downwind series, Gerber says they're paying respects to traditional aesthetics of old-time hunting gear with modern-day material. So, plain, easy, simple. If you're thinking about blades like the Continental Army carried, okay, I can see that blade style being very easily popular with a very plain sheath. Simple, effective, great. In the backcountry, ounces equal pounds, pounds equal pain. So you want to pack great gear that's lightweight, easily portable, and packs a punch. Let's get into the stats and everything else in this guy like we usually do. It's got an overall length of about, 9 inches. The blade itself is about 4.25 with a cutting surface of about 4. The handle itself is about 4.75 and it comes in at about 4.59 ounces. It's done in the drop point style, which I think that's really aggressive as a drop point. I'm used to more of a front kind of sloping down, but still. Drop point style. Plain edge with a flat grind and a satiny finish. Now the blade steel, it actually surprised me because I expected a lower end steel for the price point. It's 7CR17 MOV. I know it's not popular with a lot of you guys, but it's going to hold an edge. It's going to keep an edge hopefully for your hunt. You should be able to get through, get back, get it clean, get it sharp. No big deal, right? I did like the jimping on this to help you get in there and do the cutting that you need to do in order to harvest your elk, your moose, your bear, whatever. Now, it does have dual black multi-layered G10 scales, which I thought were neat, the way they kind of ramped them up in the front. So your thumb and your forefinger up here, they just kind of cinch in nice. I did like this little, it doesn't so much have a palm swell, but the way your fingers fit in there, it wraps you around. It gives you a good purchase on the blade, and it feels amazing in your hand. It also has an olive or flat sage, however you want to call it, glass reinforced nylon overmold. So I like the two-tone look to it. You can also get it in black if you want that in black. It is a left-hand, right-hand style carry. And this is what I said where I really loved. It's kind of paying tribute to older, simpler things. It's a waxed canvas sheath, and as you can see, it does have a little bit of the protection in there for your blade, so your blade isn't carving up everything all the way through. I just love the look of those. I really had to get it just for that. Well done, Gerber. I really like that sheath. I know it's not going to be popular with a lot of people, but I don't care. The sheath and the blade are made in China. Now, let's do some cut tests on this guy like we usually do. We usually only do 3. Why am I doing these 3? Take a look right up there. You're going to see a card for why I do these cut tests. As we always do, heavy-duty stock paper. Alright, well, a little bit of tearing, but paper is a bit old, and I see a lot of snowfall. Alright, let's see if we can get a curly cue. Well, kind of, for a bigger blade, I'll kind of take that. Especially with all the snowfall that's spattering the blade. I'll take that. Why do I like getting those curly cues, guys? Because anyone can just basically come across and go sharp. But if you take your blade, maintain that angle, and go slow, something like that should happen. The paper should start to curl back in on itself. So that's to show you there's like no pitch chips, micro abrasions, all that fun stuff. But this one really needs to be stropped. It's picking up a lot of snow. No big deal. Alright, next up. Bill Rivers' Revenge. Paracord. Pull. Oh my God. Somewhat clean. Oh, shut up, Bill. I hear you laughing. Oh, I just hear it. Slice. Not a great cut, but still. Okay. And our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Yeah, went through. Not as good as I'd like. It just means we got to touch her up a little. Ooh. Okay, what was that? Is that just my eyes playing tricks on me? Right through there, I swear I'm seeing like some problem areas on the blade. Like itty bitty little, I don't know if it's paper in there. I don't know if you can pick it there. Can you pick up on that? I don't know. I'm going to go take it over a strop soon and just see what happens. Because that stood out big. It literally looks like right there, right where my finger is on the blade from my viewpoint, it's like a little jagged edge. So, okay. Wonderful. Alright, so I did the homework and all the fun stuff on this guy on November 21st, 2021. It's currently November 22nd, 2021. Now, I found it in two places. I went looking the usual three. It's not listed on Amazon. On Gerber, it's $44 for this guy, for both the flat sage and the black, or the olive and the black, however you want to call it. On Blade HQ, it's $45 with a line drawn through it saying coming soon. It has yet to be reviewed anywhere. But I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this one is a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I really don't like what I saw there. Like I said, that little jagged edge and whatnot. But I am going to be taking a closer look at it later on. Now, if I made you laugh, made you cry, made you do anything during this video, probably cringe. But still, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's free and it's only going to help the channel. It's going to help trigger that algorithm and help get this insanity out there to some other people. Okay. For you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. I know that you got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're choosing my channel. Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can get that implemented into a future video. Now, after all that fun stuff is done, please take a look right down there. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up in a moment. Please go ahead and click on that. One click, easy access to subscribe. After you finish that off, if you so choose, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, that will let YouTube notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, two will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. That is my quick tabletop look at the Gerber Downwind Drop Point. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see you in our very next video.